Hello world, I'm Saint Dev Guy. This is my devlog for month 4. Last month on stream, I implemented my game into the Unity game engine. This went pretty well, very similar to implementing it in Godot. There were some differences. In some cases, the engines are better at one thing and worse at the others, and the game really should flow towards what the game engine's good at. So I didn't make it exactly the same. But it's close, and at the same time, neither one really stood out. And I think part of that is because the game is just way too small for an engine to appear better than the others. So I thought about adding more now, but I really think that adding to the game is part of the experience of a game engine. So I'm going to go ahead this month and try the Unreal game engine to see if that's any different from Unity and Godot, or if I like one better, or ultimately probably compare performance, size on various platforms and make a decision on what I want to do. So join me on stream to see how well Unreal and I get along, or just subscribe and follow and see how well I did. Stay sane.